Good morning, and this is day 58, and the cows are saying hello. I am just leaving the Quarterway Inn hostel. It was a great stay, incredible breakfast. Homemade jams, bread, patata, pancake, sausage, homemade honey. They make their honey right here. I doubt you can see, but way up on that hill, maybe, they have bees. This sycamore tree that's just beautiful, they showed yesterday, they have 2 owls. Still haven't seen the owls. But it's raining, and I have 14 miles to go today to Chestnut Knob Shelter, which is a pretty cool shelter. It's a stone structure, 4 walls and a door. So you don't have to worry about hanging your bag or anything like that, your food bag. Well, I hope everyone's having a great day. Nope, crawled over for nothing. They do have these arrows, but I don't know why they had that other arrow the way it was. Now I see my white blaze. Just glad a bull didn't get me. Here I am. Makes more sense. It's going to be an interesting day. The cows are saying good morning. You think that they could just poop off the trail? Okay. It's a minefield. Oh. A few calves down there. Say, Mom. This is an incredible hike this morning. Even with the overcast. Wow. Look at this. Pasture is wild. When the wind blows, this grass, no, it's like a hay grass. It looks like it's dancing. The hostel that I stayed at was right behind those trees. Still see the cows down here. But I better put my phone away because I'll never get to where I'm going. More cows, and it's the one with the little ears. I don't know if he has horns that worry me. Once again, I gotta walk through them. You would think going to Prince Edward Island in the summer would help me with this, but it still fascinates me and terrifies me. All right, you don't have to steer, it's rude. Okay, thank you. Yeah, you too over there. Yep, look the other way, Bessie. Oh no, don't come this way. I hope that's not your baby. Ooh, he has horns. Do you have horns? Just passing through. Don't look at me. Just... Oh, you're peeing. Sorry, I didn't mean to catch that on video. Sorry. Just ignore me. I'm just going straight. Sorry, guys. I'm just looking forward. Try not to do eye contact. So I know my camera's all over. Yeah. Yeah, that one has the horns. Oops. I'm gonna just keep moving. You coming to visit me? Hello. Oh, there's a whole gang. Whole gang out here. Hi. Just stay right over there. You're fine. Hi. Gee, they all do stare. I know, I'm staring at you too. I'm sorry, I know it's rude. I have to crawl over this thing again. One of these. Hope I don't roll down into the river. I don't know if this is Lick Creek. I know at one point I have to cross Lick Creek, and I'm told I'm going to have to put on my sandals. Not looking forward to that. You have to be careful on these boards. Some of them are broken, like this one. And I don't have a lot of coordination. This is just so beautiful. Oh, I wonder if that's the bridge I cross, or if it continues on. Oh, yeah, I can see right across. See, for those people who think, oh, everything looks exactly the same, not really. Once in a while you get to cross over a cement bridge before you go into the forest. Notice. For the next 10 miles, the Appalachian Trail travels through a narrow corridor that includes scenic treads right-of-way easements through private property used outside the trail tread. In these easement areas requires written permission of the landowner. Huh. Interesting. I'll stay on the path. Once again, right on my trail, and it's not like a big meadow where I can turn around, and that dude is big. You're a big boy. Can you just move over a little bit? Just a little, so I can get by? Do you mind? Why, thank you. How about you, big boy? Can you move? No? You don't want to? Hi, I'll go this way. It's okay. I'll walk through the meadow. Why don't you go join your friend? Go join your friend. He's right over there. I know. Don't come after me. No, it doesn't look like much, but I did have to walk through that. I didn't bother putting on my shoes. I just walked through it. I'm nice and wet. It was already wet before. I was told some people walk across this or crawl across that tree. There is no way. I would be falling right in. So, I have about 5 miles to go. Not bad. Such a shame that it's so misty and rainy all day, because the view over here is supposed to be incredible. And it's supposed to have an amazing sunset. Those 4 miles were painful. Holy crap. So this is the Chestnut Knob Shelter. It's pretty cool. Okay, that makes sense. Pretty cool. Totally stone. Very excited. today was a good day. It was a long day, a lot of rain. Rained the whole day. I went through a lot of cow pastures. I had a lot of cows that were on the trail. One I had to go around in a thicket and lots of thorns, but it was better than trying to move a cow over. The last 4 miles were really challenging. It was straight up. I got to see a couple boys, men, young men, who I hiked with a lot, like around when I first started hiking, and I was surprised that I got to see them today. It was great. This shelter is 4-sided, has a door, which is perfect for today because it's boring, but it's too bad because the Chestnut Knob Shelter has a beautiful sunrise and a beautiful sunset, which we will not get today because of the rain. Overall, not a bad day, just wet.